Scroll Open has kicked off and it's time to start with the lectures. Week number 1 is all about ideas. Let's start with the key takeaways. Key takeaway number 1, start with what excites you. The best ideas come from problems or passions that genuinely excites you. If you're not excited about your idea, it's hard to stay motivated to build it. What is something you'd love to use or see exist in this world? Key takeaway number 2, ideas don't need to be original. It's okay if someone has already built something similar. What matters is execution way more than originality. If someone has built a product that looks like yours, then it just means that the market has already validated it. Focus on how you can improve or differentiate your version of that idea. It's fine if you don't know how to make a difference for now. Just have a stab at it. Key takeaway number 3, look for problems to solve. Great ideas often come from solving real problems. Think about your pain points in your life, your community or industries you care about. On-chain solutions are particularly powerful for transparency, ownership, and decentralization. You can think of your ideas on a local or a global level, since being on-chain is being local and global at the same time. 4, think simple, start small. Don't try to build the next big thing right away. Start with a small, focused idea that you can build and iterate on. We have 6 weeks, and in each week, gradual update can make you reach on a different level. A small functional project is better than a great idea that has an unfinished and unusable project. When you're starting out, your project needs to do one thing really well. That's how you stand out. 5, leverage on-chain features and strengths. Focus on ideas that benefit from blockchain's unique features, like decentralization, transparency, immutability, and tokenization. For example, think about how ownership, governance, or trust can be improved on-chain. 6, pivoting is part of the process. Your first idea doesn't have to be your final idea. It's okay to pivot as you learn more about the problem, the tech, or your audience and users. Be flexible. This week is all about finding your ideas that are worth building and which you find exciting. Point number 1. The next one is a bit scary but important. Build in public and get feedback. Share your ideas early and often. Building in public allows you to get feedback, find collaborators, and validate your idea before you invest too much time into it. In fact, when you share your ideas, you can use this hashtag #OpenFeedback. Tag Sandy, tag me, tag Emily, tag the Scroll main account. We'll check your ideas and provide you feedback. Also, this is a community effort. We'd like you all to go to Twitter, write #OpenFeedback, and check out the latest posts. Give feedback to whoever you want, but at least give feedback to your fellow members. That way we can ensure everyone receives at least a few feedbacks on their ideas. The next one is important. I need you to focus on one idea for 6 weeks. We know you're going to ask, should I work on 2 or 3 ideas? Because they're all amazing, but hear me out. Work on one idea only. Instead of giving your attention to 2 or 3 ideas, which could be 50% here and 50% there, why not give it your 100% to one thing for 6 weeks? This helps you avoid distractions and make meaningful progress. 9, learn by building. You don't need to have all the answers on how you can build XYZ before you start. The best way to learn is by doing. You can even start asking ChatGPT on how can I build, let's say an AMM, and what are the things that I need to learn to build it. How do I add a wallet connect button on the website? Or how do I make it mobile friendly? You'll figure things out along the way with your teammates. The last one, rely on the community. We're here for you. Join our Discord, our Telegram, ask questions. If you're not able to debug an error or you're stuck, reach out to us. Tag Sandy, tag Emily, tag me, tag the Scroll account. The Scroll team is here to support your journey and make sure you're successful in building your idea and your vision in Scroll Open. All right, that's a wrap. Lecture 1, week 1, done. We're excited to see your ideas. Hopefully these key takeaways are useful to you. Make sure to tag the Scroll team, whoever it is. We'll make sure to provide you feedback, support you on your ideas. We're excited to see you build your idea into a product as part of Scroll Open. Let's fucking go.